welcome to Interpack 2026. Today we're talking about one of the key themes of the show, reimagining the factory of the future. With rising cost pressure, increasing flexibility demands and stricter regulations, the industry is clearly at a turning point. And I'm very happy that I'm joined by Stephan Schüle, Director of Product Management from Syntegon.
Hello, welcome.
Stephan Schüle, thank you for joining us today. We're here at the booth of Syntegon. And first of all, we would like to know, what does reimagining the factory of the future actually mean in practical terms for your company?
Yeah, as you mentioned, our customers have a series of challenges. And with the factory of the future, we want to address those challenges.
And that's why you're here at the Interpack, at the large booth, to show this to your customers, right?
Exactly. We are launching Next, which contains of our two new platforms, machine platforms, one for horizontal flow wrapping called HFX, and one for top-loading cartoning, which is the TRX platform. And in addition to that, we have the automation features, smart, seamless, and touchless.
Okay, so you came to Düsseldorf with brand new solutions, right?
Absolutely, and we're very excited about it.
Okay. So let's be clear, we are the first day at the Interpack, so everybody's invited to come here at your booth and that you can show your solutions.
Absolutely, we love to discuss the challenges of our customers here with us, and also to show them how we can help them to make one step in the direction of the factory of the future.
I mentioned rising cost pressure, flexibility and regulatory demands, which is currently the biggest challenge.
Oh, that's difficult to say. I would say it's a combination of those three. And I would add another one, that's the challenge to find and retain qualified labor to operate and to maintain the packaging lines.
And how do AI change your business?
With seamless operation, touchless automation, and smart decisions, we help our customers to run the business as efficiently as possible.
Okay.
Let me make some examples. Yeah. Touchless automation means automating repetitive tasks of today's operator. For example, quality inspection of products, but also loading material.
And you position yourself as a strategic lifecycle partner, right? Syntegon is well known as the partner, as this kind of partnership. And what does it mean beyond delivering machines? What does it mean?
We are supporting our customers across the whole life cycle of the machine.
Okay.
So in all the different phases, we have different solutions to support our customers, be it with modernizations, with training, with life cycle services, or with support of digital data. We can help our customers to keep the productivity as high as possible.
And in your opinion, what does the factory of the future will look like, let's say in 5, 10 years?
The factory of the future in packaging will be more automated, more intelligent, with less people doing repetitive work, but focusing more on value-added tasks.
And how important is the Interpack for you and your company, just to exchange ideas and maybe to have a platform to show your solutions?
Interpack is, the point where the industry meets, so it's important to be present. But we are in contact with our customers all year, every day. We exchange ideas. We also co-develop those new platforms I mentioned before together with key customers. Interpack is a good place to demonstrate the positioning, to show innovations, and to get in contact with customers.
Of course, it's the first day of Interpack 2026, but do you have already received some kind of reactions regarding your solution? So what kind of feedback do you expect?
Yeah, we have launched our two new platforms today, and we got very good feedbacks about our automation features, on how we simplify the operation of the machines with a new HMI, but also with our guide by light concept. And last but not least, also our digital approach to collect data and to make those data available on the machine but also in the office, remote, to make the best decisions for the packaging operation.
But can we say at the end maybe that Syntegon is just the right partner to reimagining the factory of the future, right? Because this is your key topic.
Absolutely, and we look forward to discuss that with every potential customer.
Regarding all the aspects, AI, sustainability, it's all included.
Absolutely.
So thank you very much, Stephan Schüle, Director of Product Management at Syntegon. I wish you a good trade fair, good exhibition.
Thank you very much. Thank you for stepping by.
Thank you for joining us. Bye.